guys, welcome back to my channel. We are shoved in the corner actually for this video because my room is such a mess. Honestly, do I ever film a video and not say that there's mess? So I've had to like shunt us in the corner. I'm so sorry about it. I've actually been filming all day, hence why I've actually got clothes on. Normally I start my videos in like PJs, but I'm actually wearing clothes, although it's supposed to be like loungewear, isn't it? We've got a Shein haul. This is I should have filmed this about a month ago, but a month ago I was on holiday, and then since coming back I've been so busy that I just haven't had time to film. So we've got a massive Shein haul. However, it is a summer one. Shoot me. I'm sorry. I know, but I have to post the video because Shein sent me this stuff. Sorry Shein, I took so long, sweetheart, but you girls have been busy. However, some of you might be going on late holidays, you know. It's now September. So what? You still might be going on your hollybobs. So let me quickly pose for a thumbnail and then we'll get into it. Let's start off with some shoesies actually. Cowboy boots. I love cowboy boots so freaking much. So much. They're just so stunning. They go with so many outfits. I'm so annoyed. When I went to Coachella in April, I wasn't on the cowboy hike. And then I saw all the girls at Coachella and the girls I was with wearing them. And I was like, you all look fit and that's really made your outfits. So ever since I've been obsessed and I've been collecting colours. I've actually been trying to find the like perfect ones. Because there's so many out there, isn't there? So many. You can get them from anywhere. However, the length, I don't like the high ones. This is like kind of half calf instead of like high knee. I don't like the high knee ones. I think they look a bit tacky. Sorry, excuse me. But I like these ones. If I can't closely focus, focus on me. Focus on me. Anyways, and I like the brown bottom. Some of them are black on the bottom and it just looks ugly. It fits so well. If you have like wider calves as well, these will fit because there's so much room in here. And I have like, I wouldn't say I have the biggest calves in the world, but a little bit big, and then not big because of muscle, sweetheart. And then I actually got this pair. These are my favourite. I could just squeeze them. These are unreal. Look at these. Also, the quality on them and these, stun. They're like a faux leather. These are like a material. So nice. So nice. These go with so much. You can literally pair them with like crochet. You can wear them to concerts. I saw people wearing like silver boots to concert, like cowboy boots. Honestly, I would say get a black, get a white and beige. If you used to get any, then just get black. But like if you want to level up, and get these because I can't wait to wear these with crochet because it's just gonna be unreal, isn't it? Oh, we've got another pair of shoes actually. I can't actually remember what's in here. I have done a TikTok haul on this already, if you're wondering why you've seen this already. Anyway, these are so cute. I love silver and I love these heels. I've got these in gold as well from Shein. They're so nice. Really nice quality, super comfortable. This isn't painful at all and I love a square toe. I have sized up in these. I size up in my heels because I have fat feet. I'm not even ashamed to admit it. Well, I should say wide feet, but my feet are fat. Yeah, these are so nice. Shein shoes, you need to get to know. I've got so many Shein shoes. I've got so many shoes. Honestly, I've got shoes everywhere. I've got them like all over the floor right now. It's really stressing me out. I am actually doing a declutter again. I done one literally like a month ago, but I need to do another one and declutter again because getting a bit of a problem. It's not looking good, And then we've got a bag. So cute. I say everything's cute. I've actually got this in black already. Somewhere over here. That my boyfriend got me for my birthday because he asked me what I wanted for my birthday and I was like, I genuinely don't know. And then I thought, let's just think practical because sometimes when I film videos I'm like, oh, I wish I had a black clutch or wish I had a white clutch, wish I had a gold clutch. And I just never get around to getting it. And I love Shein bags because they're affordable and they're nice quality. Obviously if you pick right, that is. So yeah, anyways, long story short, my boyfriend got me it in black and I loved it so much that I had to get it in white. It's so nice. Like it just looks, to me, really luxurious. I've still got the little thing inside, you know, that's why it's still bulked out, but just because I want it to sit on my shelf a bit better. But oh god, I'm gonna knock all the bags over now. Let's just plop that there because I'm sorting it out anyway. But yeah, these are so nice. I've got so many Shein bags. My hair's coming out this freaking clip. So annoying. Oh my god, guys, I have more shoes in here. How could I forget? Oh, what's going on? These wedges. These are so unreal. Unreal. I actually might not show everything in this haul. This might just be a short haul. I might just show a couple bits just because of I did already show this on my TikTok anyway. So if you want to see like the full haul, like I think I styled them as well, how I'd style them, then head over there because to be honest, as I said, it's getting to September now. The summer bod is fading and I've got hair on my mouth. And I don't want to be getting in bikinis and prancing about because I'm fluffy now, is what I like to call it. Anyways, got these wedges. These are the nicest white wedges I've had. I was on the hunt for some new ones because I had some from Boohoo. They just weren't comfortable at all. And I use these a lot for videos. White wedges are just an essential. And look how long the strings are. Like, you can really wrap that up the leg. And do what you want. These are square toe, which are my preferred, and they're really comfortable because that doesn't dank into your feet or anything. And yeah, they're a really nice shade of like whatever this is, straw. So yeah, if you have got any holidays coming up, definitely pick up a pair of wedges if you haven't already. Oh, whoa. And these white ones are really, really nice. Really, really cool sleigh. Let's try on this brown dress. Hopefully I don't need to tie it too much. Okay, I haven't fully tied it, so we might have to hold it, but it's this really nice like satin maxi. Can I step back further enough? Here we go. Yeah, this is so nice, which I think would look really nice with them wedges. But even if you want to do a cowboy boot moment, that could be really cute. And I love this brown zebra print because you don't really see that, and it's just a little less, just a little bit less harsh. Look at the back, how cute. With like wavy hair or like a nice messy bun on top. Not what I've got going on with my hair. It isn't like the most like figure flattering, unless like you tightened it. That could obviously make it work. But yeah, this is really, really nice. Let's try on my favourite outfit. Ooh. Right, this top is a little bit on the confusing side to get on, but once you've got it on, it's on. This skirt is the best thing I've ever got. That's a lie. I love many things, but it fits so perfectly. I was worried it was going to be too loose, but I actually thought that you know, the dress I just had on, the string of the back was like spread across my floor and it looked like a snake. I shit myself. I got so scared. This is the top. How cute. I also got it in black down here, which I'll try on later. But yeah, so nice. Can be styled so many ways, and I feel like it's just the perfect top for this outfit. And then this skirt, I saw someone put one of them, you know, them big chunky belts that kind of like hang when it's like circle belts. Saw someone wear that with cowboy boots. Stunning, because I was just gonna wear this with wedges, but now I know it can be utilized. Wow. I love fashion so much. Like, honestly, I cannot explain how happy it makes me, like, especially when I'm like shopping and I like piece things together in my head and I see the vision. And I love pieces that you can like really change up. Like, you can go from like ocean beach, wedges, sleigh, to Coachella with cowboy hat, belt, cowboy boots. Or you can even do this as like party. Chuck a corset top on, some heels, this skirt. I love my job. Honestly, I love my job. This is so fun. But yeah, this is so cute. Shein, bring this out in many a colour. Oh my god, imagine a pink. A pink one. Oh my god. Can I dye this? No, I won't do that. Imagine I tried to dye that and I ruined it. Actually, can you dye clothes? If you can, tell me. I don't know what material this is. It's like a knitted, like, you know what like a cardigan is? Like wool? No. I don't know what this material is. Can you let me know if you can dye this? Because imagine I dyed this pink. Well, not this. I'd probably buy another one because I wouldn't want to ruin this because I like this colour. Dyed it pink with a pink corset. And you could do colour clash. You could do like, what looks nice colour clash? Or yellow heels and yellow bag. Or you could do orange heels, orange bag. Because I love a colour clash. Have I done something here? I could even dye one of these tops pink. Wow. Okay. That's why this is my job. Anyway, then let's go on to this little number. This is really cute. Let's try this. I'm just going to quickly show you how co-ords are the best thing on planet Earth. and they're the best thing that you'll spend your money on. So this is a skirt, which does come in a card, but we don't know that right now. This is an outfit in itself, okay? You can wear so many different tops with this, and it looks so nice. Like this, so cute. Also, look at the little frills. This is like a mesh lining, by the way. And then pop the top on, it's a new outfit. Again, cowboy boots, you can do wedges, you can do heels, you can do whatever. This is unreal. I absolutely love this. This top is so nice. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna show you how we can make another outfit. We've done it again. We've now made another outfit. So that's 3 outfits with 1 cord. Obviously, I know these are separate pieces, but you just use whatever you've got in your wardrobe, like white skirt, jeans, whatever. But you can use it so many different ways. This is so nice. This is really nice. I love this set, but I love this skirt. So if you are gonna get anything, get this skirt, because it's the best thing ever. Ever. Right, so let's try on. We'll do this little dress. Now, I wasn't too sure on this dress at first, but now I think it's really cute. Let me know what you think. I probably have to put some boob tape to kind of like push the girls together, but I really like it. I like the asymmetric little moment here. Ruching is your best friend. Super comfortable and flattering. This is the back. I really like this. I think that's so nice. And she's gonna say it again. You can wear this so many different ways. You can wear a pair of white boots. You can do cowboy boots, cowboy hat. We're at Coachella again, or we could do nude heels. Chuck on some black boots and a bucket hat, you're at a rave. As much as a surprise it probably is, I only ever keep pieces if I can think of different ways to wear them. If I'm just gonna, it's like a wear once piece, or I can't style it to make it look different, because I could make this dress look different. Like if I was to wear this again, I would feel like I'm wearing a completely different outfit. As I said, put one of them belts on, cowboy hat, cowboy boots, Coachella. It's all about styling. Styling is just the #1. I'm gonna try on one more thing. If you want to see the rest, then head over to my TikTok. So this is the same top as earlier, but in black. I think there was a few colours. I'm obsessed with this. I've made it sit a bit weird, but obviously if I was wearing it out, I'd make it sit nicely and properly and make sure I'm securely in. This looks like a cord, doesn't it? It's not sold together. This is the top from earlier in black. And then there's this skirt, but obviously I've got like white socks on, so it's killing the vibe. But how cute is this little outfit? I love this skirt. I love how high this goes. I love the frills. You can really add some colour in here. You can go with like gold accessories. You could do reds for like date night. This is so cute, and this skirt's really flattering. It is slightly big, but I don't really care. I'm normally just a full autumn winter girl through and through, but I think maybe this summer I've opened my eyes a bit more to like a lot of like colour and crochet and cowboy boots and just styling in general. I feel like every year my style's getting better, so I'm gonna miss summer outfits. I'm gonna miss summer shein hauls, because summer shein hauls are so good. But if you can't wait for the autumn winter shein hauls, let me know. Let me know if there's anything you want me to try from Shein, whether it's just like a full shoe haul, or if you want me to test out some bags, coats, or you just want a Shein haul. Let me know. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.